Alright class, today we will...
Ew!
You're right, Vauxhall Corsa VXR. Ew! Audi RS5 burped and smashed the windows. That's what happens when you have too much Coca-Cola. I'm an Audi RS car as well, but I don't drink as much Coca-Cola as the RS5.
Oh dear. Oops, he's burping again. I know, Astra. He can't stop burping.
Audi RS5, I thought you were a sports car. Stop burping this instant. I'm sorry, Mr. Transit. I had too much Coca-Cola today. Well, maybe you shouldn't drink too much Coca-Cola before you come to school. He burped again. Not even I burp that loud. That's what happens when you stuff your 2.9-litre twin-turbo V6 with Coca-Cola. I have that same engine as well. Poor Audi RS5. Yeah, he keeps burping. Audi RS5! You've broken 4 windows now because of your burping! Go to the head teacher's office right now! So, Audi RS5, why are you here this time? I burped 4 times and broke 4 windows. Audi RS5, how dare you do that? That's it, you're suspended for the rest of the month. Go home right now. Wah!